Which one are you going to choose?
I'm going to choose this one. I'll get a knife. I'd rather use my fingers, but it's kind of hot.
I got 2 pans to make 12. Because the ingredients I have here for 12, or you can use one of these square pans. Pour the milk in, and now I'm going to crack 3 eggs, and then we'll whip it up. I like cracking eggs not in there, not to get shells. That's one. The mixer, I have it on low so I don't splash everywhere. See, just out of the microwave. If you don't have butter, you can use margarine, but the best is if you're making a roast to put the grease drippings in here. But since we did the roast yesterday, can't do that. So 1/2 teaspoon in each one. Now I'm gonna put the flour in. Mix it up. In the pan, then I'll just add. I got a little bit left, so I'll just add a little bit. I got the oven going, got the fan on. It's 375. Stick these in. 25 minutes. And just like that, they'll be done. 25 minutes. We'll check it. It's been 25 minutes. Still, they could use a little bit more golden brown. I'll give it 5 more minutes. Okay, we left them in 5 more minutes longer, so that's 1/2 hour. Are they done?
Yes.
Okay. Nice and golden brown. There's the gravy, and there's the roast beef. This roast beef was from yesterday. This was cut hot, and this was in the fridge overnight. And look how nicely it cuts after overnight. Okay, you're gonna test. You want to come and try one?
You want me to do it for the filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just cut into one and maybe put some gravy, or there's butter, whichever one you want.
Okay.
Which one are you going to choose?
I'm going to choose this one. I'll get a knife. I'd rather use my fingers, but it's kind of hot. I like pulling them apart with my fingers. Oh, ouch.
Hot?
Yep. Fresh from the oven.
And that's just the leftover butter.
They're better when you can pull them apart, and I used a knife and spoiled it, but it'll still taste great. Good. Oh, just delicious.
Okay, I mixed up another batch of batter, and this batter, I only put 2 eggs to make it more airy. The last batch in the muffin tin had 3 eggs and it was more dense. Now I'm going to try it in a oven-safe frying pan. I'm just melting the butter and getting the whole frying pan warmed up. And this is the Rock frying pan. And that one there is the Gotham steel, but I'm going to be using this one. I'm just going to get it warmed up, and I have the oven heating up to 375. Straight into the oven. In 25 minutes, now we'll have a look at it. No, still not done. Must take longer in the frying pan than in the muffin tin. That's 45 minutes.
Well, that looks good. That's done.
Okay, that's 45 minutes in the oven at 375. A little bit more than the muffin tins, and then we'll see the butter is just bubbling at the top. Here.
No, I'll use this. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to cut into it in
That's
a second.
nice. Yeah. Beautiful.
You going to cut into it?
Oh, sure.
Right about there. Yeah, that's about right. I made it with 2 eggs. See if it's lighter and fluffier than more dense.
It's not too dense. It's really good.
This one here was made with 2 eggs, so. Well, the ones from the muffin tin rised up more than this one here did.